welcome to my MySpace. I'm happy that I met you on MySpace, and now I can't wait to read your comments every day. I never thought I could feel this small and love this way. I'm happy that I met you on MySpace. Thanks for the app, I'm so glad to have you as my friend. I love when you will stop on my page, sending love right away. It makes me smile again, smile again, smile again.
I remember that day